Welcome to Vision Illustrations. We bring for you technical tips, tricks, tutorials, new and useful Android app introduction, hacking tips, comedy, entertainment, and much more. Subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe button and get the notifications by clicking on bell icon. Hi guys, welcome to Vision Illustrations. Today I am going to show you how to format your Android device, any Android device, because all the devices have the same method. Before that, I just want to ask you how to import, after formatting, how to import your contacts in your device. Just save that VCF file. You can watch my video, the previous video regarding the contacts import and export. So save that VCF file. Here we go. I'll show you. Go to contacts folder. This file .vcf, you can save this file or you can share with by Bluetooth to another device or to your laptop or your computer. After formatting, you import this file back to your mobile, your Android device. Then click on the file or go back to the contacts and go back to the drop down list, import export, and here it is, import from storage. Once you click on this import from storage, it will show you automatically which how many files are there in your storage device. So choose the last one you saved as a backup and click on the import button. Now it's not required. I am going to show you how to format your device. So just go to your settings, and each device have the different settings. You have to search backup and reset. Click on it. If you want to backup your data, just keep it on the radio button, the backup my data. Then you can click on the factory data reset. It will erase all data on your phone. So it will ask you, this will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including login details, system and apps data, setting, download tabs, music, photos. Means all your data will be formatted. If you want to backup all your data, just click on this checkbox, backup your data before reset. If you don't want to backup, just uncheck this box. Check this box, format internal memory, to erase all your data. Then click on reset phone. This is the one method you can follow. Another method, from the startup menu, I'll show you how to do that. In that case, you have to shut down your device first. Power off your device. My phone. So guys, now I show you the second method. It's from the startup menu. Every phone have the different method. This I have the Lenovo Vibe K5, and for the Samsung, it's you have to press power button and the central menu button both together, and it will comes in the startup menu mode. For these phones, you have to press power and both volume buttons and power button, all three buttons together you have to press. Let's go. Once you see the logo, just release all the buttons. It will show you some options like this. Reboot your system now. Apply updates from ADB, Wipe Data Factory, Wipe Cache Partitions. So first you wipe all the cache partitions. Wipe complete. Okay, then go again, press the volume down button and click on the wipe data factory reset. Press the power button for select. Here you have to go down. Yes, delete all user data. Click here. We will see the wiping data, formatting data. In this startup menu, wiping or formatting your phone is better than the settings. It's wipe all your data and unnecessary files, and it's your phone will become same like a new. So just follow this method. It's better than the from the settings reset and backup. For that, reboot your system now. Click on it. Your mobile will be start. From the beginning, it will take few minutes to prepare your startup. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.